Birding from Dirang to Mandala via the scenic Shergaon Road is a breathtaking experience offering a rich diversity of Himalayan bird species amidst stunning landscapes. Dirang at 4,900 feet is home to birds like the beautiful Sibia, Firetal Myzornis, and Rufous-vented Yuhina, thriving in its mix of subtropical and temperate forests. As birders travel along the winding road to Shergaon, they pass through coniferous and broadleaf forests spotting species like Darjeeling woodpecker, black-tailed crake, and spotted laughingthrush.
The beautiful Sibia is a strikingly elegant bird that graces the high altitude forests of Arunachal Pradesh, particularly in biodiversity hotspots like Eagle Nest Wildlife Sanctuary, Dirang and Tawang. This species is known for its graceful appearance and agile movements, making it a favorite among birdwatchers exploring the Eastern Himalayas. True to its name, the beautiful Sibia possesses soft grayish-blue plumage, a long flowing tail, and a striking black and white facial markings, giving it a distinctive and refined look. Its delicate, slightly curved bill is perfectly adapted for extracting nectar from flowers and picking insects from tree barks and foliage. The bird's elegant posture and swift acrobatic flight add to its charm, making it a fascinating species to observe in the wild. This species thrives in subtropical and montane forests, particularly in rhododendron, oak, and pine woodlands between 1,800 to 3,000 meters in elevation. Arunachal Pradesh, with its vast stretches of pristine forest and rich floral diversity, provides an ideal habitat for the beautiful Sibia. It is frequently spotted moving in small active flocks, often in the company of other babblers and mixed species foraging parties.
The Rufous-vented Yuhina is a delightful small passerine frequently spotted along the Shergaon Road in Arunachal Pradesh. This energetic bird is easily recognized by its ashy grey plumage, distinctive pointed crest, and rich rufous vent, which contrasts beautifully with its pale underparts. Preferring temperate broadleaf and coniferous forests at mid to high elevation, the rufous-vented Yuhina is often seen in active mixed species flocks flitting through the canopy in search of insects, nectar, and berries. It is known for its constant chatter and playful movements, adding life to the dense foliage of the Shergaon forests. During the breeding season from April to June, rufous-vented Yuhinas construct small cup-shaped nests using moss, twigs, and fine grass, often tucked away in the dense foliage of shrubs or tree forks. Both male and female birds participate in nest building and raising the young. Displaying strong parental instincts, the nests are well hidden, offering protection from predators in their high altitude habitats.
The spotted laughingthrush is a secretive yet striking bird that can be found along the Shergaon Road in Arunachal Pradesh. It is characterized by its rich brown plumage, bold black streaking, and distinctly white spots across its body, which help it blend into the dense undergrowth of temperate forests. Preferring oak and rhododendron forests at mid to high elevation, this species is often seen foraging in pairs or small groups, rummaging through leaf litter for insects, berries, and seeds. Although generally shy, its melodious flute-like calls echo through the forest, giving away its presence before it is seen. The Shergaon region's dense foliage and moss-laden tree trunks provide an ideal habitat for this elusive bird, making it a prized sighting for birders exploring the Himalayan foothills.
The striped-throated Yuhina is a charming and energetic songbird frequently encountered along the Shergaon Road in Arunachal Pradesh. This small passerine is easily identified by its olive brown plumage, boldly streaked throat, and a distinctive pointed crest, which give it a striking appearance among the dense foliage of Himalayan forests. It thrives in temperate broadleaf and mixed coniferous forests, particularly in areas dominated by oak, rhododendron, and pine, making the Shergaon region an ideal habitat for this species. One of the most fascinating aspects of this stripe-throated Yuhina is its highly social and active nature. It is almost always found in noisy, mixed species foraging flocks moving swiftly through the treetops alongside other Yuhinas, Fulvetas, and Minlas. These flocks create a lively spectacle as they dart from branch to branch searching for insects, berries, nectar, and small seeds. Their role as pollinators is significant as they frequently feed on nectar, inadvertently aiding in the pollination of flowering trees like rhododendrons and cherry blossom that are abundant along Shergaon slopes. Despite their small size, striped-throated eugenas are vocal and communicative, constantly calling to each other with high-pitched chattering notes and sweet whistles. This helps them stay connected with their flocks as they navigate the dense foliage. Their movements are swift and acrobatic, often seen hanging upside down while foraging, much like small species.
The Darjeeling woodpecker is a striking medium-sized woodpecker frequently seen along the Shergaon Road in Arunachal Pradesh. It is easily recognized by its bold black and white plumage, distinctive yellow buff underparts, and a bright red crown in males, which makes it stand out against the moss-covered trunks of temperate forests. Preferring oak, rhododendron, and coniferous woodlands at mid to high elevation, this species is often found clinging to tree trunks, skillfully pecking at the bark in search of insects, larvae, and tree sap. Unlike some of its more solitary relatives, the Darjeeling woodpecker is often seen in pairs or flocks of mixed species, flocks moving energetically through the forest canopy.
The fire-tailed Myzornis is one of the most exquisite and sought-after birds in the Eastern Himalayas, captivating birdwatchers with its vibrant green plumage, fiery red tail, and delicate black markings. This small yet striking bird is a high-altitude specialist thriving in rhododendron forests, bamboo thickets, and moss-laden temperate woodlands, typically between 2,400 to 4,200 meters in elevation. Arunachal Pradesh, particularly regions like Mandala, Eagle Nest Wildlife Sanctuary, and Shergaon Road, provides an ideal habitat for this dazzling species. During the breeding season, which typically spans from April to June, this species construct delicate cup-shaped nests made of moss, lichens, and fine plant fibers, well hidden within thick vegetation to protect from predators. The female lays around 2 to 3 eggs, and both parents participate in incubation and feeding the chicks. Adios, my birding friends. See you all next in episode 5, Arunachal Pradesh.